Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome to Friday, July 14th, 2023. It looks like we've got another day that's trying to go up higher. Incredible, if you ask me. Totally incredible. I'm probably the room's forever bull, and even I think, wow, okay. I'm yesterday closed out several positions, couple, I guess, just a couple, getting closer and closer to that cash, waiting for that market turn, or at least pause right through here. And so far, it's not doing it. So far, we just keep climbing up higher and higher. We're sitting at about 455 right now, pre-market. The big question is it going to hold that? So just keep that in mind. The diamonds overall yesterday, I think, held up well. And look at them today. They're ready to peek out and see what kind of what the menu is up here. Go diamonds. IWM. IWM, it's still flirting around with that 500 period moving average up here. So just keep an eye on that. We just don't want it to start moving down. If it does, I suspect this line here, and I think I can adjust this line just a little bit. There we go. I apologize. I think I'm catching cold here, so if I sneeze or something in the mic, I'll try to get everything turned on. What else is there? Let's take a look at IYT, the transports. They've been going crazy, just crazy trend-wise, moving sideways a little bit here. Nothing says it's going to fail. It could consolidate till buyers step in and then push us up. What else is there? SMH. SMH is rocking, just absolutely rocking. FNGU. This is a big one for me. Here, this is the 500 period moving average, that black line right there. We popped up, did some testing. All that through there was just testing, challenging. And it looks like it's done with all that, and it's ready to go higher. The next target I have is 754, and all that is the next, resistance area. The next peak is all it is. We could start putting in some bearish candles at any time before that, so keep that in mind. I will, Nancy. I've got to go to Walgreens today anyway, so yeah, definitely do that. Thank you. Do you guys have any charts you want to take a look at? I'm afraid I don't have anything this morning. I wasn't looking at charts this morning. I was doing other things. But yeah, Nancy, wants to look at AI. Let's looky there. So AI, it's got that AI woo-woo, which I mean that in a positive way. And right now the chart is just kind of sloppy to me, but hey, I think we have to pay attention to it. We've got this high over here, and then this higher high, and this high makes one think that you're looking at a head and shoulder there. Let's move this to a longer-term chart. See if we can, clean that up just a little bit. So let's go to a 2-day chart, not much. 3-day chart, not much. 4-day, not much. 5-day, not much. Yeah, not much. 6, wow, we really got to get out there. There's a monthly chart right there. And I know that we don't typically look at monthly charts, but what it does, it shows that it's a good chart, but the daily might be a little choppy for somebody like me, but it shows it's a nice chart. It's just doing its thing in a bit of wild swings. So I'm going to have to say 2 thumbs up on this. It's just a matter of catching it at that right time, which I think we can do, don't you? I think we could do that. We'll work on that. Let's make that a project. Yeah, let's make that a project. Let's see. What did I miss here? Shaq Hey, good morning, Jay. Good morning, Nancy, Miriam, Jay, Fred, JW. Sorry, I didn't say good morning earlier. Shaq. There we go. Shaq. Shaq is still very bullish, if you ask me. Beautiful trend. Just have to follow the rules. So let's do this. Let's come over here. Shaq is up. So we know that the SPY is bullish, don't we? Let's see. So I'm going to write SPY over here. Okay, SPY's bullish. We already know that. Shaq is trending, looking pretty good. The current candle might not be what we like, but that's not what we want. The hard right edge is where we look for entries. There's going to be, good candles, bad candles, like good boys and good girls, bad boys and bad girls. Going to be the same thing here. T21.23 seems like it's working on the 15-minute. Seems like it's working on the hourly. So I would look at this as a positive chart. It's just all about that entry now. The hard right edge, right in there. PNC, take a look at PNC. Nice rounded bottom breakout. Probably not my place to buy personally, Miriam. Probably a little too close to the dotted deuce here, and it's been up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. So probably not my best place to buy. But overall, I think a beautiful chart. Terrific bottom. You got an inverted head and shoulders here. We've rallied up, pulled back test to 50. It's doing just what a chart should do. And here we are making this next run. I think, let's see what happens right through here. Oops, let's do this. Let's see what happens right through there. And then maybe catch that next, if it offers it, it may not offer it, but if it offers that next pull back into here, that's what we might want to look for. I'm going to flag that one. Thank you. Hey, let's don't forget earnings. I think there's some companies that did some earnings this morning, maybe yet today. I don't know off the top of my head, but let's not forget about those earnings, okay? Where are we here? MOS, JP Morgan had earnings. We'll go take a look at that. Now that right there, this chart right here is, if every chart I looked at could look like that, I'd be a happy camper. I would just be a total happy camper. Nice little hard right edge, pop up, nice and tight, close to the T-line, close to the trend indicator. Trending, looks terrific, fantastic. MOS. Nice JW, bought MOS yesterday. Let's go look at that JP Morgan. Oh my. That makes me go, yeah, okay. JP Morgan, okay, big move up. Earnings were great, so let's keep an eye there. I want to go look at that Bank of America. Yes, Bank of America is popping up with it. So we're cool there. Okay, life is good. Let's see. Let's take a look at STZ. STZ. That is another one that would fall in that category of if this is all we could look at. That's a beautiful chart. So what is that? Well, it's called a flag. Let me get there we go. It's called a flag if you're looking at this. If you're going to look at this, what happens, and if you start thinking about the future, then what you're looking for, you get that flag breakout. What that turns into is a continuation pattern. That J-hook pattern, ABC pattern, 1, 2, 3 pattern, zigzag pattern, thunderbolt pattern. It's called different names by different people. The bottom line, that right there, the flag, a flag is the beginning of a continuation pattern. Or maybe it's the middle. Maybe that's the beginning, that's the middle, and that's the continuation. There we go. I like that one. Nice chart. Did I flag that? Yeah. All righty. Okay. Looks good, folks. See everybody bottom of the hour. Get this market open. Please enjoy your Friday. Remember, profits. If you're a trader, you're taking profits. If you're an investor, you're just buying and letting it go. I believe that we are all traders, so we take profits. Let's see what we can do today. All right, you guys take care. See you in about 20 minutes, okay?